In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post on your Facebook business page. Let's keep this simple and straightforward so you can publish confidently in just a few minutes. First, open Facebook and navigate to your business page. Make sure you're viewing the page itself. Look for your page's profile image and header, not your personal profile. If you manage multiple pages, double-check you're on the right one before you start, so the post goes exactly where you expect. At the top of your page, you'll see the post composer. Click the box that says, "What's on your mind?" This opens the space where you'll create your update. It's the main spot for all your page's announcements, promotions, event reminders, and day-to-day updates. Now type your message. Keep it clear, concise, and aligned with your brand's voice. Lead with the most important point and tell people what you want them to do, such as learn more, visit your site, or comment below. If it helps, write your first line as a hook to grab attention, then add a short second sentence with details. Use emojis sparingly to highlight key points, and keep paragraphs short so it's easy to read on mobile. Before moving on, quickly proofread for typos and ensure you're not sharing any sensitive information. If visuals would strengthen your message, add photos, videos, or a link. Choose high-quality images that look good on both desktop and mobile. For video, keep it steady, well-lit, and to the point. Short clips often perform best. When adding a link, paste the full URL and give Facebook a second to generate the preview. If the preview isn't what you want, adjust your caption so the context is crystal clear. Think of your visual as the attention grabber and your caption as the explanation that turns attention into action. When everything looks right, click Post to publish immediately. Take one last glance to confirm you're posting as the page and not your personal profile, and that your media has fully loaded. Once you click, give it a moment to appear. Your post will show up on your page's timeline and be visible to your followers. Refresh the page if you don't see it right away. After it's live, watch how people respond. Likes, comments, and shares can guide what you post next. If questions come in, reply promptly to keep the conversation going. That's it. You've just published a professional post on your Facebook business page. Keep practicing, and your workflow will feel effortless.